Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create simple logo from scratch. Alright, so without wasting time, this is our interface. This is my CorelDRAW. Alright, so I'll right click on the blank space and import the particular icon that I'll be using as my logo sample, which I got from a download on Pinterest. Alright, so this is just it. I want to show you how this logo was made, or how you can actually recreate something like this. So without wasting time, what you'll be doing here is I'll be cropping. Like there's this tool. After the first pick tool, shape tool, there's another tool that is called crop tool. As the name implies, it crops out the unwanted part of the image that you don't actually want. So after cropping it, you just highlight on this, or you check mark on this crop icon, and your image has been cropped. You can see that the text part has been removed. So I'll just increase this image like this. The purpose of this video right now is how you can quick trace, like the name implies, quick trace a bitmap or an icon that you got from an internet, or instead of you to start using your pen to dance around the body of the image. Alright, so this is what I mean. When you are done cropping it, the next thing is you head to your bitmap, convert to bitmap, and this time around I'm not using CMYK or RGB. All you're going to use is grayscale 8 bits. Alright, so you click OK. So grayscale actually means desaturating the image. So this is what I mean. I'm done desaturating the image. I'll head back to my trace bitmap and click quick trace. Alright. I'll not choose the center or the outline. I'll choose the first one that say quick trace. I'll click on quick trace and relax. You cannot see that this thing has already quick traced the image. How do you know? After the long time, you just drag this other image out. The thing has automatically duplicated it. This is the original one, and down this is the one that we add from the quick trace. Like this is the one the CorelDRAW trace for us, which is carrying the group icon. So we can choose to ungroup it and delete the unwanted part from the design. So I'll click the white background and click on delete on my keyboard. So what I'll be doing next is I will look around any other unwanted image that is around the image. I'm going to delete it, like something like I'll click on group. Click this icon that is here. So select all of them. Then hold my shift key, select the letter L. I'm left alone is the letter T. And so I can choose to give it a color by clicking and also right clicking the fill color which I want to hit. Then the letter L, I can choose to give it a navy blue color by clicking and also right clicking the same color to fill the both the and hue color. Then we can get rid of this particular sample. So now what do you have here is the new icon. So this company now is just for, let me say, like the name implies, from the old one that I imported. So this company that I just do right now is just technical lab, alright, because this TL is actually a initial way of you creating a logo for the brand. So without wasting time, we are going to type in the name. Now caps lock on, we're gonna say tech lab. Alright, so I'll select this, I'll change the font to Poppins. Poppins is a kind of modern font for brand logo. Then I'll deselect this side, and then I'll put it on the light part. This I want to play around it. Then after everything, I'll choose to put it on italic, and I'll reduce the font size. Something like this is okay by me, and I'll right click again to duplicate it and add the company slogan on it. The company slogan is offering easy life. Right, so this is it. The slogan must not be bolder so that it will not be competing with the heading. So I'll use medium. I can even choose to use regular, and then the font can be on 9 point. I'll put it on italics, and I'll still reduce it to be below the company name. Then I can use my shape tool to open the spacing between each letter. Alright, so when I arrange it like this, I can select the both of them and click letter C to centralize the image horizontally, and I can choose to either drag in or drag out till I got the sample, or sorry, till I got the size that I need, and shift F4. Alright, so this is it. You are done with the logo design using your quick trace from the CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, and allow notification because a lot of simple videos are still coming your way. Thank you.